Fall in. You want to survive and thrive as a self-taught developer? Good, because this isn't a game, it's a battlefield. I've been through it, the confusion, the late nights, the burnout, the imposter syndrome chewing at your confidence like a bug in your code. Today, I'm giving you the truths I wish someone had drilled into me from day one. So, listen close, because this could save you years of pain. You think once you finish a course, you're ready? Wrong. This industry moves faster than a startup on Red Bull. The real devs aren't the ones who know it all. They're the ones who, even when it's hard. That mindset, that's your weapon. JavaScript framework of the week? Let it wait. What you need is muscle memory with HTML, CSS, JS, and Git. Too many rookies want to be React rockstars without knowing how the DOM works. You can't skip basic training and expect to survive in combat. You feel like you're not good enough, like you're faking it? Welcome to the club. So does everyone, even the so-called experts. The difference is, real devs don't wait until they're ready. They deploy anyway. Tutorials are warm-ups. But real growth? That comes when you're staring at a broken app at 2 a.m., figuring out why your CSS is rebelling like a toddler. Own your projects, break things, fix them. That's how you build experience that no tutorial can teach you. Junior dev, full-stack engineer, code wizard, forget the labels. Your worth isn't in a title, it's in how you solve problems. Show up, get things done. Let your work speak louder than your LinkedIn bio. Push code often, even the messy stuff. You're not showing off perfection, you're documenting growth. A repo with bugs is still better than an empty profile waiting for the perfect time to post. Forget the gatekeeping. You don't need a CS degree to be dangerous. You need resilience, curiosity, and the will to figure things out, even when Stack Overflow lets you down. Trying to do this solo? Good luck. You'll burn out faster than a dev without dark mode. Find a community, Discord servers, forums, Twitter, wherever. Ask questions, answer them too. Grow together, or stall alone. You don't win this war by coding until your eyes bleed. Rest, hydrate, walk away when needed, reboot yourself, or risk shutting down completely. Stop comparing yourself to 20-year-olds who started in high school. Your journey is yours. What matters is that you're still here, still trying, still typing through the doubt. And that makes you dangerous. I learned these lessons in the fire, but you've got them up front. That's your edge. So dig in, stay sharp, keep coding. And remember, this isn't just about writing software. This is about writing your story. Now get out there and build something that matters. Before you go, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more hard truths and developer motivation. Dismissed.